The Big Uprising. Hello everyone, I am Hayes Fiero, and everyone is asking me the same thing. On our Facebook page, Information War, in the group, in the magazine, in the newsletter, and on the video channels. What can we do? Who will lead us? When are we going to act? The answer is now, and the leader is you, yes you, me, and your neighbour. I am creating a movement. This is the Big Uprising, a movement that will educate every voter and take power back from the elite and return it to the people. For decades, both political parties have sold us out. They've passed policies that strip power away from the people and hand it over to the corporate elite, the technocrats, and the billionaires who control the government. The Fairness Doctrine was abolished, allowing propaganda to control the airwaves. Citizens United flooded elections with corporate money, making politicians more accountable to billionaires than to you. And what has it gotten us? A divided country run by oligarchs, where elections are bought and paid for by dark money, where the people are nothing more than consumers and pawns. But here's the truth. We can fight back. We can take over. Step 1. We need to fire every representative funded by Super PACs. Do not vote for anyone funded by big money. They don't work for you. They work for their donors. If they take corporate money, vote them out. If they became a millionaire through politics, vote them out. If their net worth is above $1 million, vote them out. The next midterm election is our first battleground. Then the next general election. We clean house. Step 2. Reverse Citizens United and reinstate the Fairness Doctrine. 2 simple policies will change everything. Reverse Citizens United and stop corporations from buying our elections. Bring back the Fairness Doctrine so media must provide balanced news instead of propaganda. AI has analysed this issue, and the results are clear. Both ChatGPT and Google Gemini AI agree reversing these 2 policies would restore democracy and eliminate corporate corruption. So why aren't we doing this? Because politicians are bought. Because billionaires own the system. Because we haven't taken action. Until now. Let's get real, people. Are you supporting tax cuts for the rich while struggling to pay your own bills? Let's get rid of them. Are you rich? Fine. But if you're not, stop voting with the rich. Are you financially stable? Then ask yourself, do you care more about gender issues and other political distractions? Or would you prefer to be economically and healthcare-wise set up for success? Let's cut the crap. It's not about right versus left, liberal versus whatever the right calls itself, blue versus red. It's us versus the representatives who have sold out the lower and middle class. We can take it back. We can do it. Let's get real. Are you in? Information War has 50,000 followers and 7,000 likes. If you support this idea, I will put the resources together to make this happen. But we have to band together as the United States, not the divided states. Talk to me. Let me know. The next steps for the Big Uprising. Educate every voter, spread this message, and wake people up. Boycott corporate-funded politicians. Only vote for true representatives of the people. Demand a constitutional amendment to overturn Citizens United. Push for media accountability and fair reporting. Unite as Americans, regardless of party, to take back control. We don't need permission. We don't need a hero. We need action. This is what our founding fathers would want us to do. This is what true freedom looks like. This is the Big Uprising. Will you join us? Share this, spread this, organize, and let's take back our country. Based on the feedback and support, I will help make this happen. It's up to you and you and you.